Here's the story of a famous merger who is teaching her finest major twos. All of them have cameras, like their teacher. The last 2 years they paid their dues. Here's the story of Major Two, who were busy with projects on their own. They were one class, working all together, so they were never alone. And the day that Merge met us, she knew that it was much more than a hunch, that this group would somehow form a family. That's the way they all became the Major Twos. The Major Twos. The Major Twos. That's how they became the Major Twos.
Hey Nate, look at this groovy new camera I got.
Wow, that is so stylish.
Right? I just can't figure out how it works.
Kayla.
What?
Oh, my nose, you broke my nose.
Oh gee, I'm so sorry, Nate. I didn't mean to, I promise.
I don't know about you, Caroline, but I'm just so excited for open house. I mean, I can't wait to show all my parents all the hard work I've been doing this year. I think it's really going to pay off, and I think they're going to be so impressed.
That's totally groovy. Luke, you took my broadcast Bible.
Hey, man.
Bible.
Jason, he totally took that.
What Bible?
Luke, that's like my diary. Why would you take that?
Come on, man.
I didn't take it.
I think you did.
I didn't.
Merger!
What's wrong?
My whole project is gone. What will I do?
I got it.
Boom. And it's back.
Oh, thank you